Underground crypto, breaking stereotypes, navigating through the world of crypto hype. A passive mainstream, they're on the rise, educating the masses, opening our eyes. Underground crypto, shining bright, taking us on a journey.
Welcome to Underground Crypto. We are back with another deep dive. A couple changes to the channel. You see my face in the corner. We got the green screen. We're trying to move up out here on our YouTube game. I'm a strong believer in starting right away with what you got. Build yourself up. Don't make a million excuses, or I would have never put out a single video. And at the end of the day, it's not about my face in the corner. It is about the reviews, the community, the content, the togetherness of this whole crypto community, underground crypto community that we're trying to build. Obviously, I'm new to YouTube. I don't have 100,000 videos on here and a huge following and all that jazz, which is fine with me. The basis of this channel is I do these deep dives anyways. This is kind of my thing. Look at these coins, look at what they got as supporters, market caps, all the stuff that goes into really deep diving and speculating the coin. Not a financial advisor. I know you hear that all the time from every YouTuber you probably watch, but I'm not a financial advisor, and if you need one, go get one. They're out there somewhere. So again, like I said, today we're going to be going over Toncoin. Toncoin is at $7.67 at the time of recording. Obviously, as we record, that's going to fluctuate a little bit. Right here, we have the 24-hour chart. 24-hour chart's a little too zoomed in, honestly. Let's look at the 7-day chart, and you can see if you're into charting or technical analysis even a little bit, this chart looks a lot better than a lot of other altcoin charts. And for those who don't know, an altcoin is every coin but Bitcoin. Some people say Ethereum's excluded. Some people say Ethereum's still an altcoin. Doesn't really matter which one you decide it is. And if we zoom out a month here, you can see, we were chilling around $6, $6.50, and we really boomed all the way up here to $8.19. And of course, if you go back, the chart just gets better. I mean, you're down here at $1, $2, $2.50. On the yearly chart, topping out it looks like about $8.17. So I mean, it's had great price action. It's had great movement. I'll leave it on that year chart. And let's move right over here to the market cap. Let's see what our total supply. We got our total supply right here. Now it says for max supply, it does have like the little infinity sign. So, that is what it is. I don't really know too much about the max supply of Toncoin. Once we get into what Toncoin is, again, guys, narrative is everything when it comes to any altcoin, any speculation. I mean, it's the same thing in the stock world if you're coming over from there. But narrative is what's going to be important. What is this Toncoin? What does it do? What kind of service is it going to provide? Why would anybody in the world care about this coin? And if you look at its market cap, you can see a lot of people care about this coin. Looks like $18.7 billion here for market cap. Total supply looks like about 5.1 billion. And circulating supply is 2.4 billion. With 513.5 million in 24-hour trading volume. That's pretty high for a coin, for sure. But given the market cap, that makes a lot of sense. And yeah, we're going to move on from that. So that's the basis of the tokenomics here. You can see the market cap. You can see the total supply. Usually we would be a little more crucial of the ratio between the max supply and the total supply. But we can't really do that here because it says infinity. And maybe we'll learn a little bit more about that. Now, obviously, you have your contract right here. It's an Ethereum token. I'm not seeing any other blockchain addresses, so it must be Ethereum exclusive at this point. Then you come down here, and this is just for those who maybe don't know how to use CoinGecko. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, they're about the same thing. These are where we go to really look up these coins, make sure we're getting the correct contract address. If you're buying it on a decentralized exchange, you're going to want to make sure you have the right address, because I guarantee you go to a different blockchain, BNB chain, somebody's put a version of Toncoin on there that doesn't have the right contract address, and if you buy it, you're not buying the real Toncoin. And a lot of times the price of it should make it obvious, but if you're new, they might get you. So here's the website. We got a couple of different websites here. Looks like they have a blog.org, jobs if you want to be affiliated with them. They are a huge company. If you don't know what Toncoin is, you might have been under a rock a little bit, but that's okay. You can get out from under that rock. And we will be going to this ton.org website here. Communities, Twitters, Telegrams. We will be checking out their Twitter as we always do. And let's go down here. So if you like this coin at the end of the review and you wanted to know where you could buy it, you'll see CEX, that's Centralized Exchange, and you'll see DEX sometimes, that is a Decentralized Exchange. They operate a little bit differently. With a centralized exchange, you usually have to make, an account, all of those kind of things, a login. With a decentralized exchange, you have like a MetaMask, and you have your MetaMask set on Ethereum, and then you just simply go to the website, the decentralized exchange, connect your wallet, do your transaction, and that's it. Relatively simple. Now, I don't use Gate.io, I don't use Bit2Me or OKX, although I've heard OKX name thrown around just like Gate.io. I don't use any of those. Same with BingX. I do use Mexi, and I'm a big fan of Mexi. KuCoin, big fan of KuCoin. A lot of people having trouble using those. I got my Palau, digital ID, so I am good to KYC with all of those things. I know a lot of people are up in arms about the digital ID. I 100% agree with you guys, but I want to be able to KYC on my exchanges, so I did make that sacrifice. All right, so we're hopping right over to their website with no delay here. And where's my mouse? There it is. All right, so Toncoin, this is the symbol. If you are trying to buy this anywhere decentralized, take a look at the symbol, make sure it matches. The open network for everyone. A decentralized and open internet created by the community using technology designed by Telegram. And there it is. Ton is the Telegram coin. If you didn't know that already, here's some wallets that you can use to hold Toncoin, probably decentralized, I would imagine, and build on Ton if you're a developer. I guess that's how you maybe get involved with the things that they are doing. Now it says getting started is easy. All you need is Telegram, and that makes a really simple barrier to entry. Barrier to entry for adoption is crucial. It is key. So when you're speculating on a coin, a project, whatever you want to label them, you really want to think, how easy is it for everyday people to look at this? Why would everyday people look at it? Because you really need the everyday retail, or also your hedge funds and your banks and all those kinds of smart money. You need them to understand why people would care about this. You might say, well, what do we care about, everyday people's money in the market? It's not a lot of money. It doesn't move the market. But the big players, the smart money, are only investing in things that the everyday person is going to use. So just break that down a little bit. Telegram, and of course, if you've never looked at Telegram, these are some pictures from Telegram. Or no, these are the wallet, and then these are some pictures from Telegram. Wallet gives direct and easy access to Toncoin from Telegram. Enjoy commission-free crypto transfers to any Telegram user. That's a huge plus, kind of like WeChat in a way. Retain full control of your Toncoin and other digital assets with Ton Space. So this is probably like their, wallet, but also like maybe a vault. I could see that. And we'll keep going down here. I don't want to bore you with that stuff. Cryptocurrency is the heart of Ton. Toncoin is Ton's native cryptocurrency. It is used for network operation, transactions, games, and collectibles built on Ton. And then you got Toncoin over here, 7.71 as the price. Don't know when they pulled that, but it probably wasn't that long ago. It is ranked number 9 by market cap. You will hear that kind of language a lot. When I'm recording these videos, I never know if I should really stick to my crypto community, because obviously if you're here, you probably know something about crypto. But then, who knows? Maybe the channel gets a little bigger. Maybe people stumble across it and watch the video from, maybe they're a stock investor or something. So I don't want to go too far over people's heads and not explain things. So market cap, 18.8 billion at the time that they put this here. We've seen that it's pulled back a little bit, but not much. And it's ranked number 9. They take all the cryptocurrencies and they put them in a ranking by how much money is in the market cap. Bitcoin is usually on top. Well, it's always on top, let's be honest. But some people think that might change one day, and it is number 9 by market cap. Unlocking freedom with decentralized finance. And then you have nominator pools use Toncoin for contribution to network security. So using the coin for network security, and they could probably tell us a little more about that. Buy and trade, swap currencies on decentralized exchanges, cross-chain transfers, transfer your tokens from Ethereum to Ton, accept payments effortlessly. You are able to accept Toncoin worldwide directly at a low fee. So obviously barrier to entry type stuff for the everyday person, super important. Being able to send money to your friend on Telegram all around the world, if you're somebody who's maybe not just in America, or hasn't lived in America your whole life and knows people outside of America, then that's actually a really nice feature. Mint your tokens, create your own cryptocurrencies in a few clicks. People creating their own cryptocurrencies has gotten completely out of control. But, you know, if you're out there, if you're on Solana and these kind of things, don't get lost in Solana meme coins. Look for the right, tokenomics. Look for the right community, fair launches and stuff like that. Don't just buy the next meme coin that pops up, and certainly don't put more money than you're willing to lose. But I'm not a financial advisor. Everybody's going to do whatever they're going to do, right? USDT on Ton, explore stablecoin usage, explore apps and services. So, this is very much like an all-in-one kind of app. If you don't use Telegram, I've been on Telegram. I don't use it a lot, honestly, but they keep adding stuff like this, and it'll become a must-have app on your phone, like Facebook was for so many years. Stuff like that. Instagram for younger people. So, Anonymous, ESIM, affordable and secure mobile internet provider for home and travel. So that's cool stuff. DNS, easy to remember addresses. Your wallet or website can be easily found in the Ton network. This is a huge barrier to entry kind of thing. Tons of people constantly talk about wallet addresses when it comes to decentralized, the world of DeFi. Basically, you get like this long numbers and letters and all kinds of crazy stuff as a address. Works really good to have a very signature address that is, never going to get mixed up. But when you try to send it to somebody, you got to copy and paste it. You're probably not going to remember that unless you have a lot of money in that wallet. Maybe you take the time to remember it. But imagine you've got 6 wallets. Are you really memorizing every contract address? Probably not. That would take a lot of time and energy, when we could just do like this and make them simple, like foundation.ton. You could have a private one. Ethereum has, what is it? ENS is the ticker for Ethereum name service. Yep. That you could make, shorter wallet addresses that were connected to your actual wallet address. But enough of that. I won't bore you guys with that. So Tribute, monetize your audience, earn from subscriptions and donations to your community. So for creators, kind of like Patreon, YouTube with their subscriptions that they sell and stuff like that, or a little join button where you can pay money to get a little bit of bonus content or some special exclusive access or something like that. You're going to be able to monetize and do all of that with Telegram, which is pretty cool. That is going to make it a go-to for creators around the world, not just here in America. I'm based out of Florida here in the United States, so that's why I keep referring to America. Fragment, buy Telegram Premium. Use your crypto wallet to pay for subscriptions for your friends, for you and your friends. Let's see, Ton Diamond, unique digital art, marketplace and auction for works of world-known digital artists. See, that's pretty cool. They're really just bringing everything together, very much how Elon Musk wanted to have this all-in-one app. Looks like Telegram's getting the mover advantage here, and they're going to be playing catch-up. So that is what it is. But at least it incentivizes them to really get the ball rolling over there at Twitter, X, whatever we're calling it nowadays. Get gems, unique collectibles, explore, buy, and sell collectibles used in games and services. So just more features there. Dive into the future of the internet. So we got the version 1.0, ton sites, ton proxy, ton www. Try the decentralized, secure, reliable internet of the future with ton services. And so it will very much be like its own version of the internet. I hear a lot of times people talk about DeFi being the internet built on top of the internet, a better internet, for a lack of better words. I know the guy, from Polkadot was the one who coined that term, although I know a lot of us don't like that guy, but he was the one credited for coining the term, for sure. Okay, version 1.0, ton storage. Keep your data safe and secure with the decentralized storage of the future. Read more. They have a roadmap for these different things. That might be worth taking a look at. It says, learn more about the history of open network and our roadmap for upcoming products. Let's see. I don't want to lose you guys here with some of this stuff. We are here. So they just put out version 1. I'll just keep it to that. Version 1 is you can host a .ton site independent from a fixed IP, centralized domain, and certificate. This makes a ton site highly resistant to censorship. It cannot be blocked by its domain or certificate, and you can change its IPs freely without downtime. Users can visit these sites through public entry nodes that support HTTP proxy. Hosting can be on private web servers or ton storage. Now that might be a little techie for some of you. It's pretty cool, to be honest with you. It's like a different internet that maybe some people can't get a hold of and censor you, for those who are saying things that they're worried about being censored about. And we never know what the next thing to be censored is. You know, they could wake up tomorrow and decide they don't really like crypto here in America and they don't want you to have it. And then if you talk about it, you're getting banned no matter where you were. Instagram, Facebook, YouTube's kicking you off. They're, retrospectively deleting your videos and giving you strikes for videos that you made a year ago. All right, why is this not letting me go back here? We'll do this. I do apologize for this disorganization, but they did not want to let me go back there. I'll make sure to open this next one in a new tab. All right, so this is for the storage. That's what I clicked on, roadmap, Toncoin storage. Again, don't want to bore you guys, so we're just going to read where we are. So technology for storing and distributing files of any size on decentralized ton network. So that pretty much goes hand in hand with having your own internet. You're going to need storage. You're going to need somewhere to store everything that you put on your websites and stuff like that. Most of us know about things like Filecoin and Render and these different projects that are really trying to, solve storage problems and issues on decentralized internet. So build your product for global audience. You got mini apps, GameFi, DeFi, unlock access to millions of Telegram users. Your app can unlock access to millions of Telegram users with one click. App launch, direct advertising, along with a viral and retention mechanism based in the Messenger. Millions of users have been onboarded to Ton via the app wallet, and then you can build a mini app. This is pretty interesting. I mean, starting this YouTube channel, I know a lot of people are using Discord, and I'm probably going to start a Discord for this channel as well, but this seems like another avenue and another way to grab some users from all over the world and monetize and just do the YouTube creator thing. I think a lot of people are into that nowadays. Developer Center, quick start and deep dive into the development of Toncoin, accelerate your growth, support for commercial projects on all the stages, and Ton grants and bounties support the core ecosystem of projects so the developers can just keep on cranking stuff out. Be part of the Ton movement. Join Ton community. Ask questions, share ideas, and participate in the breakfasts, hubs, local events with people who love Ton. Participate in breakfast. Maybe you guys know what that is. I don't know what a breakfast is necessarily, unless it's just like a round talk. empower Ton community. Join Ton Society to meet new members, participate in community activities, and earn rewards. Obviously a very social place. And let's see, who are the strategic supporters that we might know of? Telegram is obviously a supporter. It's their own coin. Bybit, of course, they're all over the place. Cumberland, blockchain.com, not surprised to see that on there. Tether, and some of these other ones I've seen, but I don't know, all the ins and outs of them, like Kinetic or, Pantera. I don't know all the ins and outs of those companies. All right, so that brings us to the end of that website. And then we are going to kind of hop over to their Telegram. Now, normally this part of the video is like a smell test for their Telegram. I don't really think we need this. We'll go ahead and follow them. We know that their Telegram is going to be legitimate. So 1.8 million followers. The pin post, let's see how much interaction. 5 million interactions, 66,000 hearts here, and they got 7.6 thousand comments and 33,000 retweets, or whatever we're calling it. So I'm not going to really go over this like I normally would with a little, we do this for a little meme coin most of the time. We want to go to their Twitter and see if they have 500 or 5,000 or 500,000 followers, and then if they have, 1 million followers, and then you go to their pinned post that was from 2 months ago and they have like 200 impressions, that they bought the followers and they don't have real people looking at their stuff. That's usually why we do this portion of the video. It's kind of not relevant for Toncoin. Follow me at CryptoRon, at _groundcrypto. Definitely give me a like, share, subscribe on YouTube, but follow me over here on Twitter as we do post a lot of different things. Well, we retweet a lot of things that are relevant to the videos that we've already made. I'm looking to get into posting a little bit more often on there. And then I just pulled up a news article here. Telegram's Toncoin rises amid market crash. Eyes on this emerging coin. So everybody is kind of talking about how strong Toncoin has been in the market, as most things have kind of pulled back and began to maybe even crash if you're into Solana meme coins. And so we got quite a few people in a bit of an uproar talking about how Toncoin might be the better investment and seems much stronger than other coins. It says, despite a recent market downturn, Telegram-based crypto projects are showing resilience in Q2, with Toncoin, TON, standing out with a 16.2% month-on-month increase. This article provides an analysis of Ton's current price trend and looks to see whether an innovative new meme coin, Playdoggy, people say it hilarious in a bunch of different ways. I'm sure it's Playdoge, represents a more promising investment opportunity at this time. And then you have somebody here, Crypto Ace. I don't follow them. They're talking about shorting it. Might be a good idea. We don't know where Bitcoin's going. We pulled back. We seem to get a bounce, and then it drops some more. If you're into TA, definitely go follow the Crypto Lifer. He's the best on YouTube, hands down, and where I've learned most of my technical analysis. So shout out to the Lifer on YouTube, and that's Crypto Lifer. But yeah, I don't know if shorting it's a great idea. I haven't really looked at the TA on Toncoin. And all right, guys, I don't want to go too long with this new system. I don't have the thing in the corner that tells me how long I've been going, so I'm assuming it's probably about 25 minutes or so. Anyways, I usually do a gut, 1 through 10 number kind of rating for these kinds of coins. Obviously, Toncoin's going to get a 9. 8.5, between 8.5 and a 9. It's got everything it needs. After reading its website, I'm like, I want to go download, Toncoin. I want to go download Telegram. Can't talk, of course, at the end of the video. And check it out and see what kind of, little thing I could put together for the community. So once I have that, I might post that on Twitter or something like that. Another reason to go follow me over there, or I'll make a video about it. And you guys can find it on YouTube. But I'm going to give it an 8.5, a 9. It's got everything that it needs. It's already a huge successful coin. The only thing standing in Toncoin's way is political nonsense. But if it is, I hear constantly that it is a Russian coin, a Russian project, that most of it is done in Russia. with the free speech kind of service and stuff, I could see why they might be in Russia, to be honest with you. But can they somehow on the global field affect them and take them down, or hold them down so that Twitter, X, can develop what they want to put out and push it? Who knows? That's to be seen. Those are things on a much bigger scale than anything we have control of. So we're just going to speculate, and I think Toncoin is a great investment, but I'm not a financial advisor. Always remember that. 18.7 billion in market cap. I could easily see this getting to a $50 billion market cap. That's not that many X's. This is a more, in my opinion, safe investment. It's less likely to rug or go to zero or dip 90% and then never come back up. It's got use case, it's got attention, it's got people talking about it. And I'm going to leave it at that. I'm your host, Crypto Ron. Crypto Ron out.